Why collecting emails is my best marketing strategy. Hi everybody, Joe Barclay here from joebarclay.com. Coming to you again from our home on beautiful Loon Lake in the Adirondacks of Northern New York. And in this video, I will explain why collecting emails is my very best marketing strategy. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post new videos every week and I want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. Whether you are in network marketing, affiliate marketing, or really just about any kind of business, collecting email addresses and building a mailing list can be super effective. I feel marketing to a high converting list is by far my very best marketing strategy. Many people still try to market without a list, and it just isn't as effective. The two big challenges to marketing without a list are that on average, it takes 7 contacts to make a sale, which obviously you can't do if you're trying to sell directly on the only contact. Plus, without a list, you're trying to sell to complete strangers who don't even know you. The reason collecting email addresses is such a powerful marketing strategy is that it allows you to build a list and then build a relationship with the people on that list before you even try to sell them. And relationships are huge. If you take your time and use your list to get people to know you, to like you, and trust you, it's so much easier, so much more effective marketing to them. You will be blown away by how much more business you can do. Plus, when you build a list, you have the chance to market additional offers down the road also. I encourage all marketers to start collecting email addresses and building a mailing list for whatever business you are in. If you learn to do it right, you can even make money doing it, whether or not the prospect joins your business or buys your offer. Recently, I posted a video on how to make money collecting emails. A short while ago, I stumbled on something that created terrific cash flow while building my list for my main business. I'll put a link to it up here so you can check it out and do the same. And in upcoming videos, I will share how you can acquire everything you need to start collecting emails all for free. I'll show you how to get the very same autoresponder I use and set it up, how to build a high converting landing page yourself, and most importantly, and the thing so many marketers struggle with, how to get a volume of quality traffic to your landing page all for free. So be sure to subscribe to my channel now so you don't miss any of it. I hope this video helps you grasp the power of collecting emails and encourages you to start building your list if you've not done so yet. Please feel free to reach out to me with questions at any time. You can read this and many more marketing tips at my blog at joebarclay.com. While you're there, be sure to pick up a copy of my free ebook. It will show you how to cut years off the learning curve and take the fast track to success by copying what works. And to stay up to date with my latest videos and proven marketing tips, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Again, I'm Joe Barclay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon.